Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox WASD keys not working. So first, you have to simply check keyboard layout. You can press Windows plus space to switch between keyboard input languages. Ensure you're using English as layout. If you don't know how to do it, you can also go to settings, go to time and language, language and region, set preferred language to English as much as possible. Now, step two, you have to make sure that your W or ASDW is working. You can open Notepad or your browser search bar, type WASD to confirm your keyboard keys are working. If not, try a different keyboard or clean your current keyboard. Step three, reset Roblox settings. So you can also reset your Roblox right here, and then you just have to go to the gear icon, reset all, and then confirm all. Step four, Step 4, update or reinstall Roblox. You can go to any web browser and then type download Roblox. Download Roblox and then try to reinstall it again. Last step is restart your computer. A simple restart can sometimes fix hardware input or driver issues. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.